Greetings from sunny, well, not quite sunny yet, Tampa, Florida. The sun's not even up. My name is Drew Hildebrand, and I work with a company called Layered Plastics in Tampa, Florida. I was on the fall 2010 Florida State sales team. Personally, I didn't fare so well in the competitions, but as Pat will tell you, and as life will tell you, hard work and effort and teamwork is really what's going to excel you in your careers and in your lives. I've learned that it's important to bring love and passion, compassion, and even sympathy on occasion into a career, but never forget hard work, because you can't lose. That's why we're here today. We're here to recognize two people that have shown a history of maximum effort. Normally, we only give out at most one of these awards, but this semester two people showed the type of work ethic and leadership roles and that Pat recognized. So the first award goes to George Fennell. George had a knack for anticipating needs and making sure they were met. At every sales club meeting and at every sales team meeting, George saw what needed to be done and he made it so. Towards the end of the semester, he balanced his sales team obligations of helping train advanced sales students with the workings and the courses that they have. All of this while worrying about his ill mother and making many trips down south to see her. George was a force at Relay for Life. He spent the entire night mixing smoothies to sell for this worthy cause. At NCSC, George became known by almost every single recruiter at the event. He personally introduced Pat to about a dozen companies and excited them about the Florida State sales program for which he was a part of. George is a fine example of maximum effort and professional excellence for which the sales team is known. George will receive a check for $500 in his name on the Drew Hildebrand Maximum Effort plaque, which hangs in the sales lab. I never know if I should say the Me Award. We'll stick with Drew Hildebrand Award. George, on a personal note, you and I have some parallels and some commonalities as far as our lives as it pertains to the sales program. I too had a mother that was ill in fall of 2010, and balancing that with the amount of work that is demanded of you with the sales team is a difficult thing to do. For me, as sad as it sounds, the sales lab and my sales team was a bit of an oasis for me at the time, among other things, activities, sports, but I spent a lot of time in the sales lab. Illness can be all-encompassing at times, and it was a way for me to kind of just get away. It's important to do that, both for the people who are ill, but also their loved ones and their caretakers. You can't let it control your life. I truly hope and pray that your mother gets through her illness, but in the meantime, she's going to need your help and your love, support, and if I can just give a little advice, it's be nice. As simple as that sounds. One of my biggest regrets looking back at my mother's life was not being nice. And this goes for all males in the room. Moms can be overbearing and overprotective at times, but I would give that 100 times again just to have her back. So